We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Roasted peanuts are softer than raw and peanut pieces are smaller than whole nuts. These two factors make roasted peanut pieces easier for more birds to eat and a snap for birds with small beaks to get a hold of. When part of a birdseed mix, both raw and roasted peanut pieces seem to work well.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.